Today we're diving into the world of elegance, and we're going there with a Chicago-based creation, the Chai-Tini. This is a cocktail that doesn't have any real history other than it comes from Chicago. It's very popular among the bars there. It's a very contemporary drink, but every bar seems to make a different one. Well, here, you know we like simple cocktails, so we found a way to make it simple. I'm Bill, your drunken sailor, and if this is your first time here and you've just stumbled onto the channel, welcome. This is the Drunken Sailor Cocktail channel, and we make delicious cocktails that are simple and easy to make, and you can make them at home. If you've been here before, welcome back. Today's Chai-Tini is a cocktail that you can make however you want, but we're going to make it simple. If you haven't hit it yet, hit that subscribe button, leave us a like, leave us a comment. Tell us the cocktails you want to see. But in the meantime, let's get pouring the Chai-Tini. Our first ingredient going in there is going to be a Chai Latte concentrate. Now, some of these recipes go to make a full Chai Latte going in there, but this is a really quick, simple, easy way. You've got the Chai Latte batched, so if you're making it for 1 or for 20, you've got it all done. We're going to put 2 ounces in there. The flavors on this are really super. You've got cinnamon, you've got cardamom, you've got black tea, you've got vanilla, ginger. The whole kitchen sink is in there. Our next ingredient going in there is going to be vodka. And today we're using Absolute. We're going to use 1.5 ounces. Third ingredient going in there, and as I said, it's a riff on a Chai Latte, so we're going to use, instead of half and half, we are going to use Bailey's Irish Cream. That's a milk product, right? We're going to put 1 ounce in there. Everything's in the shaker except the ice to chill it down. Ice in there, let's shake this up. Now I grab my iced chilled martini glass and I'm going to strain. Got a little bit of foam on the top. And now for garnish on that, we just take 1 anise star and float that on top. And there is today's Chicago classic, the Chai-Tini. Let's see how she tastes. Right off the bat, you've got this beautiful aroma, the black tea, and all the different spices in there. You can easily pick out the ginger, you can pick out the cinnamon, the cloves, they're all in there. This one, if you don't like an espresso martini, you're going to love. Cheers, everyone.